Hey everyone, so it is that time of week where we find out who is the winner of our weekly giveaway. So I kind of do it in two parts because I just show you the things and then I'll get my laptop and we'll do the random comment picker. So these are the things that are up for grabs this week. We have a, excuse my finger, I shut it in the door and ripped my nail off and I haven't had a chance to go fix it. So it really hurts actually. Right, okay, so we have this assortment of lovely, oops, one less, heart charms, which they need to go in a little bag. We have some handmade ruffles, a little die cut there, some fabric pieces, a nice assortment actually, and they do come in quite handy. You might think, oh, they're little scraps, but actually you can do quite a lot with them. There's a sticker, there's a few handmade bits this time, so you've got a bookmark, a lovely tag, a little tuck spot, a big tag with a pocket, one of my faves actually, one of these really beautiful napkins, and a couple of stencils, and I think it's with love. Oh, I don't know what they say, best wishes. I think there's 3 in there. I won't get them all out because there's all bits and pieces, and a couple of these coffee sleeves, which I was going to do a video showing how to decorate them, and I'll show you one that I've done. It looks just like this. How cute is that? Look, so I'm going to show these in another tutorial. They're just adorable. So I've put a couple of those in for you as well, and I'm going to pause the video and get my laptop and see who is the lucky winner. And I'll be right back. Everyone, I am back. I just paused it just so that I can put the laptop on so we can pick a winner for our weekly giveaway. So good luck everyone. I've put the URL in there and here we go. And the winner is Christine's Cards and Things. So well done, honey. If you could please email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com with your address details. I'll put your goodies in the post. Thank you to everyone for taking part, and keep an eye out because I do the giveaways every week, or spot prizes. We've got a spot prize one on the go at the moment. So well done everyone, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care, bye bye.